So in closing, wise up. Ano yung wisdom na tinuturo ng Diyos sa atin ngayon sa ating mental fitness? Take note. Mental fitness is the very foundation of moral leadership. Kung nais natin talagang isang maging matino, matuwid, at pakipakinabang na pinuno, kailangan natin ng mental fitness. Because mental fitness is the very foundation of moral leadership. A disciplined mind always produces a disciplined leader. When the mind is strong, pressure cannot break him. Control our mind, calm our emotion, and purify our motives. So mental fitness today will prevent moral failure tomorrow. Ulitin natin, mental fitness today will prevent moral failures tomorrow. Manage our mindset, manage our emotion, and manage our motive.